BEA's restroom kit is designed for both normally locked and normally unlocked single-occupancy restrooms. The kit's control center is the BR3X, a programmable 3-relay advanced logic module featuring restroom control functionality. In addition, the emergency add-on kit is available for applications dictated by local building codes. BEA's restroom kit and emergency add-on kit were engineered in accordance with Ontario Regulation 368/13 made under the Building Code Act 1992. Barrier-free access is quickly becoming required by law in states and provinces throughout North America. Barrier-free access provides those with disabilities the same ability to access, exit, and move throughout a building. For washrooms with power-operated doors, it is important to include code-compliant push plates, an integrated locking system, and an emergency call system kit. Emergency call systems are currently mandated by the Ontario Building Code in Section 3.8.3.12, Section 2, which states, "A universal washroom shall have A. An emergency call system that consists of audible and visual signal devices inside and outside of the washroom that are activated by a control device inside the washroom. And B. An emergency sign that contains the words, 'In the event of an emergency, push emergency button and audible and visual signal will activate,' in letters at least 25 millimeters high with a 5 millimeter stroke, and that is posted above the emergency button." The restroom kit contains the following components: BEA's BR3X, a 13-function advanced logic module with restroom control functionality. An occupied indicator with selectable sounder that signals when restroom is in use. A push-to-lock button that provides a visual confirmation of lock status upon successful locking. And a door position switch that ensures proper positioning of the door before allowing the door to be locked and resets the system upon manual exit. The emergency add-on kit contains the following components: an assistance required signal with adjustable sounder for outside signaling, a push for emergency assistance button plus indicator unit for ease of installation, and double-sided French and English emergency signage. Step 1. Activate the exterior push-to-open push plate and the door will open. Step 2. Once inside the restroom and with the door closed, push the push-to-lock button. The push-to-lock button will illuminate, indicating that the door is locked. The exterior occupied indicator LED will illuminate, indicating that the restroom is occupied. The exterior push-to-open activation device will be disabled. Step 3. Activate the interior push-to-exit push plate. Manually opening the door also resets the system. The locking device will unlock and the door will open. The push-to-lock button illumination will turn off, indicating that the door is unlocked. The exterior occupied indicator LED illumination will turn off, indicating that the restroom is available. For normally locked restrooms. In Step 1, the locking device will be engaged and the door will be locked. Typically, a keypad or key switch will be used to gain access to the restroom in place of an exterior push plate. In Step 2, pushing the push-to-lock button will illuminate the internal push-to-lock button and external occupied indicator. Step 3 will remain the same. To request emergency assistance, push the Push for Emergency Assistance button. The push for emergency assistance button's indicator LED will illuminate and emit a sound, indicating that emergency assistance has been requested. The exterior assistance required signal will illuminate and emit a sound requesting emergency assistance. The BR3X will unlock the door, allowing emergency assistance to enter. Contact your BEA sales representative or visit beainc.com to learn more about BEA's restroom kit and emergency add-on kit.